Hello everyone, Mr. Lipchick here, and our topic for discussion today is the physical landscape of North America. North America is physically diverse with deserts, plains, mountains, rainforests, and tundra. It is also very diverse biologically with many plant and animal species. Mexico is a megadiverse country containing 10 to 12% of the world's plant and animal species. Mayan Civilization. The Mayan ruins in Chichen Itza in Mexico is considered one of the wonders of the modern world. Classical Mayan civilization lasted from about 200 to 900 AD. And Chichen Itza was a very advanced city with stone, temples, and roads. And they practiced human sacrifice. North America. North America has a landmass of 24,490,000 square miles. It extends from the Arctic Circle to the Isthmus of Panama. Its borders reach from the Bering Strait to the Caribbean Sea. The Panama Canal. Before the completion of the Panama Canal, a boat trip from New York to San Francisco was 14,000 miles. The canal was built in 1914, shortening the trip to 6,000 miles. It was a marvel of engineering, and it changed the shipping industry forever. Seismic activity. Seismic activity in most of North America is minimal. However, parts of the Pacific coast have more activity as they are in the Pacific Ring of Fire. In Southern California and Mexico, the North American plate meets the Pacific plate along the San Andreas Fault. And this has led to disastrous earthquakes in the city of San Francisco. To the right, you see a picture of the earthquake of 1912. Seismic activity in the Northwest has caused the eruption of Mount St. Helens. That was about 30 years ago. Mexico and Central America experience earthquakes and volcanic activity. Here in Mexico and Central America, the Cocos Plate meets the Caribbean Plate off the coast of Central America. And when two tectonic plates meet and rub against one another, that is why you wind up with earthquakes. Mountain ranges. The Sierra Nevada, Sierra Madre Occidental, and Sierra Madre del Sur are located along the west coast. The Rocky Mountains run from the Arctic Ocean to New Mexico. The Appalachian Mountains extend from Newfoundland to Alabama. And the Cascade Range divides the state of Washington. The Great Plains. Between the Rockies and the Appalachian Mountains lies the Great Plains. It is relatively flat and treeless, and it is agriculturally rich and broken up by shallow river valleys. The Coastal Plain. The Coastal Plain stretches from the Mid-Atlantic region to Florida, and it is a mixture of flat forest lands, swamps, marshes, mudflats, and deltas. The Canadian Shield. Located in Canada, the Canadian Shield is a plateau east of the Great Plains, and it is characterized by evergreen forests and rocky, unfertile soils. North American wildlife. North American species unique to this continent include the black bear, the Canadian lynx, the bighorn sheep, the coyote, and the bald eagle, as well as the American alligator. Rivers. The Mississippi River begins in Minnesota and flows 2,300 miles to empty into the Gulf of Mexico. Other major rivers include Ohio, Missouri, Arkansas, Rio Grande, Colorado, Snake, Columbia, Peace, Yukon, Mackenzie, and Saskatchewan. The Great Lakes. Lake Superior is the largest of the Great Lakes. 4 of the lakes straddle the U.S.-Canadian border, and these are Superior, Huron, Ontario, and Erie. Lake Michigan is entirely in the U.S. And the Great Lakes hold 20% of the Earth's fresh water. The Everglades. The Everglades are the world's largest subtropic marshlands. It is a wildlife refuge and home to many endangered species, including the American crocodile, the Florida panther, the Florida manatee, and a snail kite, as well as the Cape sable sparrow. Climate. North America has many different climates. It ranges from freezing in Greenland to hot and humid in Central America. However, in most areas of North America, the climate is moderate and suitable for agriculture, making a great abundance of food for most people in North America. Ecoregions. North America is divided into 2 ecoregions. One, the near Arctic, which includes North America, Canada, and the northern half of Mexico. And the neotropic, which includes southern Mexico, Central America, the Caribbean, and South America. That concludes our discussion on the physical geography of North America. Thank you for attending, and I look forward to seeing you in the live lesson. Have a great day.